Hi, my pupils. I'm Miss Iman Sayed from Royal Teacher Iman Channel. Today, the revise is for grade 6. Last class, I revised unit 1, lesson 1, the first term. Today, I will continue lesson 2. I would like to say something for grade 6. That the paragraphs, I will make a video to explain how to write a paragraph in the separated video. Okay, I will explain lessons and the paragraphs. It will be has a separated video. I hope to follow me for these videos, to watch these videos, to know how to write paragraphs. But before I will go to our lesson today, I would like to say, don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel to send you new videos. To send you new videos. Okay, this is my channel. Okay, today I have a video about green green sets the lesson that explained last class. I would like to enjoy this video with me. Let's go to enjoy this video with each other. Okay, let's go to enjoy this video with each other. Okay.
Welcome back, fellow Globe Explorers. Today, we're diving into the world of sustainability as we explore the top 10 green and sustainable cities in 2023. As cities around the world face the challenges of climate change and resource depletion, these urban pioneers are embracing innovative solutions to reduce their environmental impact and improve quality of life for their residents. Our selection is based on criteria such as renewable energy usage, public transportation systems, green spaces, waste management, and overall quality of life. Let's start our journey. Freiburg, Germany. Freiburg is known as the Green City for its eco-friendly practices and strong emphasis on renewable energy. The city has implemented strict building codes to promote energy efficiency and has a well-developed public transportation system, with over 70% of residents using it regularly. Freiburg is also home to Vaven, a sustainable urban district that serves as a model for green living. The city's solar power capacity is among the highest in Germany, demonstrating its commitment to clean energy solutions. San Francisco, USA. San Francisco is a trailblazer in renewable energy, with 100% of its municipal electricity coming from clean sources. The city has set ambitious zero waste goals, aiming to divert 90% of waste from landfills by 2030. San Francisco's growing public transportation network and bike-friendly streets contribute to its sustainability efforts. Furthermore, the city has banned single-use plastic bags and is working to reduce plastic pollution in the San Francisco Bay. Melbourne, Australia. Melbourne is targeting zero net emissions by 2040 and has already reduced emissions by 50% since 2005. The city is a pioneer in green building design and urban forestry, with the goal to increase canopy cover by 40% by 2040. Melbourne's public transportation and cycling infrastructure continue to expand, reducing the city's reliance on cars. The city also promotes water conservation through its Target 155 campaign, encouraging residents to use less than 155 liters of water per person per day. Helsinki, Finland. Helsinki is aiming for carbon neutrality by 2035. It has already reduced its greenhouse gas emissions by 45% since 1990. With 90% of its residents living within 300 meters of public transportation, the city offers a comprehensive network of buses, trams, and trains. Helsinki's commitment to sustainable urban development includes preserving green spaces and incorporating green roofs in new buildings. The city also hosts various green events, such as the annual Helsinki Baltic Sea Day, to raise awareness about environmental issues. Reykjavik, Iceland. Reykjavik is powered by 100% renewable geothermal and hydroelectric energy, making it one of the greenest cities on Earth. The city is also investing in public transportation and electric vehicles, with plans to phase out fossil fuel-powered vehicles by 2030. Green spaces and coastal preservation efforts contribute to the city's sustainability. Additionally, the city is working towards a zero-waste future by promoting recycling and composting initiatives among its residents. Singapore's innovative vertical gardens and green building initiatives have earned it the nickname City in a Garden. The city's efficient public transportation and car light policies have led to a 12% decrease in vehicle growth. Singapore also has one of the world's most advanced water management systems, with 100% of its water supply coming from sustainable sources. Moreover, the city is actively increasing green spaces and has set a target of planting 1 million trees by 2030. Amsterdam, Netherlands. Amsterdam's extensive cycling culture, with more bikes than residents, significantly reduces CO2 emissions. The city is also investing in solar and wind energy projects, aiming for 80% of its electricity to come from renewables by 2030. Circular economy initiatives are in place to achieve a 65% reduction in household waste by 2030. Amsterdam has also introduced electric and hydrogen-powered public transportation to further reduce its carbon footprint. Vancouver, Canada. Vancouver is striving to become the greenest city in the world with its Greenest City 2020 action plan. The city is a leader in renewable energy, with 98% of its electricity coming from clean sources. Vancouver is also home to the highest number of LEED certified buildings per capita in North America. The city has introduced programs like the Greenest City Scholars, which connects university students with city staff to work on sustainability projects. Stockholm, Sweden. Stockholm has been recognized as a global leader in sustainability, thanks to its pioneering waste-to-energy systems and 12 green spaces per square kilometer. By 2040, the city aims to be completely fossil fuel-free, with 80% of its energy needs already met by renewables. Stockholm has also been designated as a UNESCO creative city for its commitment to sustainable urban planning and design, fostering a vibrant and eco-friendly environment for its residents. Copenhagen, Denmark. Copenhagen is on track to become the world's first carbon-neutral capital by 2025. With 62% of residents commuting by bike and an extensive public transportation system, the city has significantly reduced CO2 emissions. Copenhagen also boasts 2.5 million square meters of green roofs and aims for 100% of its energy to come from renewable sources. The city has established over 100 urban gardens, giving residents access to fresh, locally grown produce and promoting community engagement. That concludes our list of the top 10 green and sustainable urban spaces in 2023. As we face unprecedented challenges in our rapidly changing world, these cities are paving the way for a brighter, greener future. Remember, we all play a role in protecting our planet, so let's take inspiration from these urban pioneers and strive to live more sustainably in our own communities. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey. Don't forget to subscribe to Globex for more
Let's go to continue lesson 2 on your book Connect grade 6. Here we continue. Last class we took lesson 1. Today we are going to take lesson. We will take lesson 2. Let's know the vocab in this lesson. Here we have organization. This is a new word you must know. Provide, native. I have organization, provide, native. Grade 6. You are grown up. You must know the most vocab to write the paragraph in correct spelling, in a correct grammar structure. We must read more and more to enrich our information and our language. Okay. Sometimes in the exam we have a paragraph about community about community green settings, about the mini forests, about any topics we took it during the academic year. So we must know the vocabulary well and reading more and more. As we give you as like this video that we watched from a few minutes about green cities and how the world benefit from this experience. We must know more and more about this topic. Okay, benefits, habitats, methods. I think habitats took it in science. We took it in science. Okay, forest, identify, experts, reconnect. I would like to say, means something is doing again, like rewrite, reconnect, read. Okay, so here means do something again. Okay, locations, urban location. Okay, or urban locations, climate change. We are going to this vocab note, and this word is in the video. You listen in the video. Okay, climate change, nature, foreign effects. Here we have some irregular verbs, as we told last class that we have irregular verbs and regular verbs, and we told you that we have many books have these verbs, and we must keep it very well because it's like the timetable in mathematics. Okay, we must keep it by heart. Okay, you must keep it every day. Keep it every day. Study every day. Why? Because it's important for us. Because if we don't keep this vocab, this verbs, you can't answer any sentence in English. Okay, this is like timetable. Can you solve any problem in mathematics without keeping the timetable? So in English they say we have irregular verbs must be kept. Okay, must be kept. Okay, here we have been, brought, have, has, have, had. Let's go to know some expressions here. Here we have some expressions in this part. We have some new expressions. Brings the benefits of a forest into the heart of our city. So here we have the words that put in red line. So this is most important to know. Benefit of a forest, okay, into the heart of our cities. Let's go to that. We connect with nature. Reduce the effect of climate change. We always use fast growing native trees. We rarely have enough people for all our projects. Let's read the text and answer the question below this text. Okay. Today I will give you lesson 2 and some of the part of lesson 3. And next class I will prepare because I know that Connect 6 is more is full of full of many information to understand. Okay, and I help you to understand this. Okay, I would like to say I have a request from you, grade 6. Please, I would like to write your opinions below the videos. If I give you the information contact with you by explaining or my explaining is not clear, to make it more easier for you. Okay, I hope to write your opinion below the video. Okay. Here we have what is the many forest. So here we talk about what many forest. Let's read the text and know more about this. Verse 8. Many forests is an organization which brings the benefits of the forest into the heart of our cities. These special green areas help people reconnect with nature, reduce the effects of climate change, and provide safe habitats for wildlife. We always work hard to identify ideal urban locations for our mini forests, where people and people and wildlife need nature most. We never grow foreign plants in our projects. We always use fast-growing native trees and follow effective forest management methods developed by experts. We also usually work with local communities to plant and look after the forest over the time. We collect data from every forest we plant a few times a month. This helps us understand the effects of the new green space on the people, wildlife, and climate of the area over time. We really have enough people for all our projects, so we need more volunteers to join the Mini Forest movement. Click on the link to find out more. I will read this text again. Earth Eye. Mini Forest is an organization which brings the benefits of a forest into the heart of our cities. These special green areas help people reconnect with nature, reduce the effects of climate change, and provide safe habitats for wildlife. We always work hard to identify ideal urban locations for our mini forests where people and wildlife need nature most. We never grow foreign plants. We never grow foreign plants in our projects. We always use fast-growing native trees and follow effective forest management methods developed by experts. We also usually work with local communities to plan and look after the forests over time. We collect data from every forest we plant a few times a month. This helps us understand the facts of the new green space on the people, wildlife, and climate of the area over time. We really have enough people for all our projects, so we need more volunteers to join the many forest movement. Click on the link to find out more. Here we have the new green spaces are only for local people to use. Let's read the text and know more about this. For local people to use only new green spaces, not for local only space, for people and what and wildlife. So it will be right or wrong? No, it will be wrong. Okay, because here not only people and wildlife. Okay, the mini forest organization only plants trees that normally live in the country. Plants only trees that in the country, in our country. We help people connect and which brings the benefits of to the heart of our cities. No. It gives the benefit to our cities. Brings the benefit of the forest in our cities. The special green help people reconnect. Normally live in that country wrong. Only the many forest volunteers look after the trees. Volunteers look after the trees in here the many forest volunteers look after the trees. Many look after the trees. Many here, only the many forest volunteers look after the trees. We need more volunteers to join. Only the many forest volunteers look after the trees, not the volunteers or what. here we have more volunteers. Only the we need more volunteers to join the mini first. So it will be right. The organization uses information about the first for research. Organization uses the information for research. Yes, so it will be right. Right. The many first organization wants more people to join and help. Right. Let's go to another one. We use here we have this. What is this tense? Can guess with me? Can we took this tense before? I would like to guess with me. This tense is called what? Is the present simple tense. Okay, it talks about what? About adverb of frequency. Before a verb, we talk about the frequency of the action. Let's know more about this this part. We always work hard to identify ideal open location. So here we have the keyword of the present simple tense is between the verb, between the pronoun or the subject pronoun or noun, and the verb, like this. We always work hard to identify ideal open location. I don't often see my school friends at weekends. How often? So how often here I talk about what? About the times that I do the action, okay? Like this. How often do you work in the community garden? I work there two afternoons a week. Here we have the frequency and the time that action is happening in percent. Never means the action is happened by what? By 0%. Always the action is happened by what? By 100%. Let's answer this short question. Short question about this topic to practice on this lesson. The weather is usually never sunny in summer. So so the weather is what here is usually, not never. So the actual the answer to be usually. I really often eat dates as a snake. I love them. Dates as a snake. I love them. So it will be what? It will be I really. Okay. How often, however, do you play football with your friend? So here I ask about what? About the times that I play football. So it will be what? It will be how often. I'm letting you say this meant how often you are clever pupils. Summer always occasionally plays video games, but he doesn't like them very much. So it will be what? It will be occasionally. Okay, it will be occasionally because it's not a habit. Okay, occasionally because like this because at the so no it's not summer, it's Samir because he. Okay, here we have Samir occasionally plays video games, but he doesn't like them very much. So here means that the action is not happened regularly. Okay, we sometimes always go cycling on holiday, but most days we relax on the beach. So here we have the action is not happen regularly. So it will I take what I can take always. Always means the habit is happened by what? By 100%. Here we can see that the habit is 100%. No, not by 100%. Why? Because we have go cycling on holiday, but most days we relax on the beach. So the action here is not regularly happening. So I put what? I put sometimes, not always, because always the actions happen by 100%. Let's go to another one. You really sometimes call me now. Are you angry with me? So here we have I asked him, why you are calling me? Why you are calling me? So are you angry with me? So this means that you can't call me every day or can't call me always or calling me. Okay. So the answer it will be what? Is really. Means really means what? Means every week, every month, so it's not regularly call me. So the answer it will be we really. Here we have the the question of about rearrange subject plus verb plus object. This question, this rule that I will every unit, every lesson, I will write it to you. Okay, so we can write this rule and practice and apply this rule on this sentence. Here we have 10 p.m. usually in bed before R. So I will start by what? By the subject. The subject it will be what? I I'm usually I'm usually I'm usually in bed before 10. I'm usually unusually. It would be unusually. In bed before 10, unusually. 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 In bed before 10 p.m. In bed before 10 p.m. Before 10 p.m. Before 10 p.m. Another sentence. I don't answer all of the sentences. I answer some of them and I will leave the rest to do it again. Always my dad a big breakfast in the morning eats. So the answer it will be my dad. As we told before, that always comes before what? Before comes what? Between subject and the verb. Okay. Always the keywords of simple tense come before between the subject and the between the subject and the verb. Like this. My dad always eats. Always eats a big breakfast in the morning. Big breakfast in the morning. In the morning. Let's get another one here. Donya and Wael late are for school. So the answer it will be Donya and Wael never late for school. I will leave the rest to do it as a homework. I will see you how to do it, and I leave the rest to do it as a homework. Let's go to another question here because I don't want to make the video longer. Okay. And this sentence we took it before and know how to do this picture. I will leave this also to do it as a homework because I answered another one in the previous day. Okay, here we have tips. We use the present simple tense to talk about habits and routines, or say facts and habits. Okay, means see how many times the action or habits is happening. Here we have I visit my cousins every week. He usually goes to school. So in the simple tense, we put es or s to the singular verb If the verb is in the plural, we can't take s. Like we say, he goes to school by bus. When I say I usually go, Not don't take s. Okay, here is the difference between the singular and plural. Okay, we can use this time expression to talk about how often how often we do something. We have every day, we have once a week, twice a month, 3 times. This talk about what the happen, how often the happen is active, is happening. Okay, how often do you Do you go? So not you. Do you? Okay. Do you is misprinting here. Do you go to the club? I go to the club twice a week. I will leave this to do as homework. Let's go to another to answer this exercise. Many first is and what is and what, as we know here in this topic, is what is what is an organization. So the answer here it will be is an organization. Okay. Many forest brings benefits of a forest. We're saying this, Iman, you are keep. I keep it. Why? Because I listen. I told you, and I keep from repeating. Okay. Benefits of a forest. Okay. Repeating makes us keep. Okay. These special green areas help space with nature, helps people reconnect. You can say you are clever, Miss Iman. Reconnect, so it will be reconnect. Here is help reconnect the nature. Okay, let's go to another one. The special green areas reduce the space of climate. Reduce what? The special reduce what? Reduce what? Here reduce what? The effects, reduce the effects. Okay, so this exercise I answered you. I hope to answer it again. Okay, let's read the text and answer the question below. Okay, we never grow foreign plants in our projects. We always use fast growing native trees and follow effective forest management methods developed by experts. We also usually work with local communities to plan and look after the forest over time. We collect data from every forest. We plant a few times a month. This helps us understand the effects of the new green space on people, wildlife, and climate of the area over time. Here we put what we space grew foreign plants in our project. What here we never. So the answer could be we never. Local communities plant and look space their forest. Local communities local communities look space look after. Local communities here look after. Could be look after. How often do they collect data? How often they collect data? They collect that a few minutes in a month. A few minutes. So the answer it will be a few minutes in the month. What kind of trees they always use? Kind of trees that always use? Kind of trees that always use? What kind of trees that always use? Use what here? Native trees. Kind of trees, native trees. The native trees. Here we have the exercise here. I would like to write the rules that I write in every video. This subject, verb, object. Okay. I will answer two, and I will leave the other two to do it as a home. Here we have subject. Where is the subject here? So the subject it will be here. We. The subject can be noun or pronoun. We have. We have. We have. We have. We have really. We have really. People, you have really. People for all over. We have. We have. We really have. We really have enough people. We really have. We really. We really. We really have. We really have enough people for we have really we really have enough people for all our projects. Okay, we really have enough. We really have enough Not people for all our projects. Not people for all our projects. Not people for all our projects. 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 Put full stop at the end of the sentence. Okay. Let's go to another one. Management follow methods first. We effect. We or we. So the answer it will be we follow. We follow. We follow. We follow. We follow effective. Effective. We. So the answer it will be we follow. We follow. Effective. We follow effective. Management methods. We follow. We follow. We follow. We follow effective. We follow effective management methods. We follow effective management methods. We follow effective. We follow effective management first method. We follow effective management first method. We follow effective management first methods. Management effective management. Management first. Follow effective. We follow effective management methods. I answer the two sentences. I will leave the rest to do it as a hand. Okay. Let's go to another item here. Here we have the punctuate question. Let's answer the punctuate. As we told you before grade 6, I will make a separated video about how to write a paragraph. So I leave the paragraphs. I leave the paragraphs to the videos that I explained how to write the paragraphs. Okay, let's answer this question. As we told before, as we took in grade 4, grade 5, and from grade 3, we took punctuate. What can we do in this question? We underline the word, the letter that we answered, and we that we corrected, and we put as underline that if we have a question mark, if we have a punctuation marks missed, like question mark, like full stop, and anything. Okay. Here we have Ahmed. Can we write Ahmed in this letter? No, it's wrong. Can we write Mona in this letter? Wrong. Here we have what? Here we have apostrophe. So it will be, we have here a mistake here. We are having not a photo. So I'll answer this question by what? By here Ahmed in capital letter, Mona in capital letter. Here we have apostrophe and put the full stop at the end of the sentence. Okay. Today we finished lesson 2. Next class I will start lesson 3. I don't. You can say, Miss Iman, you can't explain the unit as a whole. Why? Because I know that Connect 6 is more difficult than the others. So I would like to make you easy. So in every video I explain only one lesson to understand with me. Today I finished lesson 2. Next class I will start lesson 3. Thanks a lot and see you again. Goodbye.